It's a rainy day, mates. Look what we got going here. It's a great day. Lovely weather. Lovely weather. It's me, mates. It's JD Mother. The one your mother's warned you about. You remember? You remember? All the drywalling, mates. And then I became a tile expert, mates. Got this new floor installed, mates. Now we're looking at something else, mates. We got some new countertop, mates. Just had them recently installed. Using them already. Not even finished, mates. Can you believe it? Had to pull the dishwasher. Had to become an electrician. And a plumber. Can you imagine? So the sinks are in. Oh Canada. Oh Canada, true north and free. True north and free. Glug, 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 glug. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. So, gotta get this all sorted out, but when I get that side connected like so, and then I come to this side, I'm off. I'm off, and this pipe here, nowhere near close to that pipe. Look how far they're away from each other. I gotta do some cutting, some chopping, some building, all kinds of fun stuff before I can even hook up the hoses for the fixture, for this gorgeous, beautiful fixture right here. So, yeah, baby steps, mates. Baby steps. Looking down into the drains. So that's the next step. I changed all the hardware. Looking pretty snazzy. Pretty snazzy. Okay, so here we are. We're at this stage in the game on a rainy day. Stay tuned. Okay, boys and girls, new day. New day, beautiful day. The rains have stopped. The rains have stopped, but my tragedy has not stopped. It's JD Mudder. I'm the one your mom has warned you about. We've got a little project here today. Now that I am a tile setter, a drywaller, professional, electrician extraordinaire, I still have to hook up the dishwasher's power and get that all leveled up with the new countertops here. But hey, I was just finishing off my martini here, and that was a good martini. And I was getting into the plumbing here. I was looking at some of the alignments of the sink in relation to the existing plumbing. So I had, I had this all set up ready to, and even this doesn't line up because it's off by about 1/4 inch, maybe 5/16, about 6-7 mils, and I can't get the pipes, this fitting to line up with that fitting, and oh my goodness. And so I thought I was gonna cut everything out. I drilled drilled a bunch of holes here. We used the handsaw and cut this and came down this way a little bit. I was using the jab saw, jabbing that in there and jabbing that in there and jabbing it down here, and oh yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. So and then there's some insulation back here, and then you can't really see it, but the pipe does go down, goes across and down, and it also goes up. It also goes up. I guess it's a vent. There's going to be a vent up here at the top. Anyways, the pipe does go up as well. And the flashlight's bright, and this pipe is garbage. So I got an opening and access now. I'm gonna have to re-drywall it. But I'm gonna take my my saw and take, not this saw, but I'm gonna cut the pipe right there at the joint, and I gotta get it lined up with the drain here. So the the basket, the tail pipe here, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this tailpipe, but I probably will. Anyways, that's where I'm at. Anyways, I'll tune you in when I'm ready to do the plumbing. JD Plumber. JD Plumber. Not Mutter anymore. Plumber. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada.